This shit was all I knew, you and me only. I did it all for you, still you were lonely. We could've worked it out.
Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Okay, I wanted to do like a day in a life type video, you know, to show the girlies that you can have a 9-to-5 and be a content creator. Okay, so right now it is 11:30 in the morning. I've been up since like 6, and I usually just like chill, do some Bible study and stuff like that. I did my hair this morning, like a little refresh, a little new hairstyle, because I work later today, which I actually need to get ready for because I have work at 2 and it's already 11:30, so we kind of need to move our butts. But my training, as far as like weightlifting, things like that, I lift 5 days out of the week, and then on Saturdays and Sundays I rest. So today's Saturday, so no working out today, but let me know if you guys want like a workout video or something, or like a gym vlog. I might do that. I might do a gym vlog. But anyways, yeah, I just want to take you guys with me on my day. Okay, so before I get ready for work, I need to do some content planning. Since I got this iPad, prepare to be sick of me. Prepare to be sick of me. I literally use this for Bible study. I've been using this for content creation for the past like day or two because I just got it. But yeah, prepare to be sick of me. Prepare to be sick of me. So I'm gonna do some content planning because I've noticed that every time I plan content, the week of, I like scratch it. Like, I'm gonna be completely honest, like, you guys were supposed to get a whole different video, I think last week. But one, I was led to make that testimony video, but also I just didn't feel like finishing the video that I was making. I just wanted to like do it on my own, if that makes sense, and like not film it, which makes no sense, but it's okay. It made sense in my brain. So let's do some content planning.
Just hide for my 45, don't get out of line. Yeah. Ooh, 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 pick a side. Only double lines we cross is dollar signs. Yeah. Ooh, 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 hold up, wait. I hear you just got paid, make it rain. Energy, she more cake on he more Central Pay. Be waving the room, the crowd gon' move. Look around, everybody on me. Ooh la la la, that's the way them boys sound when I walk through the black. Didn't I Uzi that doozy? Shot, shot, shot. Minded up in this, popping up, painting champagne through the...
One of them ones.
really starting to show. I'm looking at their first week numbers like, what are those? I mean, boys not even coming close. I gave like you a reason for celebration. You number one and I'm Eddie Murphy, we trading places. Look in the mirror, I'm closer than I really appear. Creeping like chili without the tender love and care. No tender love and care, no love and affection. I got a price on my head, but there's a risk to collect it. I might be here as a vessel to teach people a lesson. Feel like they wanted me dead, but couldn't pull it together. Yeah, but here we are and it's a new semester. 40, the only one that know how I deal with the pressure. A couple nights where it started to feel like the feelings faded. A lot of problems that can't be fixed with a conversation. Yeah. Your best day is my worst day. I get green like Earth Day. You treat me like I'm born yesterday. You forgot my birthday. You don't be scoring perfect. You don't be working like how we be working. You platinum like rappers on Hershey's. Boy, that's what it's worthless. You get the message over and over like it was urgent. And then act like you ain't heard it when you see me in person. The only thing I did to end up here was put the work in. And did it with a purpose. Used to have secret handshakes to confirm my friendships. Nowadays they just shaking my hand to hide the tension. A lot of people just hit me up when my name is mentioned. Shout out to KD, we relate, we get the same attention. It's raining money, Oklahoma City Thunder. The most successful rapper 35 and under. I'm assuming everybody's 35 and under. That's when I'm planning to retire, man, it's already funded. Yeah, I brought your wifey out the same morning. She violated, I sent her back where it all started. How quick they ought to forget about their bachelor apartment. Leave it like you could show them light in the darkness. Told my mama that I found a lady in the east. Cancun when I got signed, they upgraded the suite. Don Julio in the freezer that they gave us for free. I get you all you can eat, just have some patience with me. You wouldn't tell me you love me, started seeing Monique. Last time I heard from Monique, T-Minus was making beats. I used to hit the corner store to get Tahiti treat. Now they talk at the corner store as I'm TBE. The best ever, don't ever question, you know better. Ain't always how it seems when it's so together. Yeah. I let that last line breathe and take a second to get it. Western road flows, my confidence level getting settled. Don't get hyped for the moment, then start to backpedal. Don't let your newfound fame fool you, cloud up your judgment to talk loosely. I really do this, been flowing stupid since Vince Carter was on some Buddha legs arm in a hooch. Drinking hypnotic with Glenn Lewis, I've been through it. Y'all was so afraid to lay claim to it. Too busy face screwing on waist movements. You was riding TTC Metro, I had the place booming. First take Drake, you know I rarely have to take to it. And they still take to it. Big Apple had the white Hummer parked right in front of Fluid. And we be walking in that minute like we already knew it. But money can't buy happiness, jelly talking truthful. But I'm happiest when I can buy what I want, get how I want. Yeah, that's right.
Quite some time. I think it's maybe like 5 o'clock and I got here at 2. I get off around like 8:30. Yeah, that's a bit. Literally. Oh shit. Black cards. Also, if you hear my noise, I'm sorry, but I'm almost done with work or we're on my lunch break. Okay, so we're closing out the day. Okay, I'm finally back home. It's like almost 10 o'clock. I chilled, showered, you know, did the skincare. But yeah, I just wanted to close out today's video. Hope you guys like it, okay? I hope you guys have an amazing, lovely morning, evening, or night, whenever you guys are watching this. And I'll see y'all later.